Today I will show you how you can upload the Android app bundle on Play Store. Just go into your app, click on app signing, and just go for this second option, export and upload a key from a Java key store. Then download this tool and then copy all this text from here and paste it in text file. So basically we need four things. First we need the jar file which we just downloaded, this file. Second we need key store. Third we need the alias name of key store, and last we need the output folder. So we need we create three folders. Let's just say tool, create another folder and name it key, output. Now we need the location of this file. So first copy this jar file and paste it in tool folder. Second, copy your key store and paste in key folder. Okay, so now we need to write the location of these folders. Just click here and copy the location and paste right behind this jar file. Then add a backslash. Same for the key store. Just go into key folder, copy the location and paste right behind foo. Add a backslash, then name of your key store. It must be same. The third thing is you put your alias name. So if you don't know the alias name of your key store, then just go to Unity, file, build setting, to player setting, select the key store, type your key store password. So it will show your key store alias name. Just write this name here. Then the location of output folder, which is there. Just copy it from here and paste it here. and backslash, the name of file, just say abc dot, then save the document, and then remove this sign, save again, select all, copy the text, and then go to start, type run, type cmd, and then paste all your text here. So if you are getting all these errors, that's why I made this video, because nobody talk about all these errors. So just make sure that your Java JDK is up to date, which is here, program files JDK. Make sure that this is up to date. And second, CMD is a very case sensitive language, so you have to be very careful with the text. So you have to follow the sequence, the location of jar file, and then one space, location of your key store, and only one space, alias name, and one space, and then output folder location and one space. So just add only one space, and then select all, copy all the text, and then paste here, and then hit enter. So now you have to write your password. It will not show your typing because it's case sensitive. Same password for the key. Okay, now it's all done. Just check in the output folder, you will get the abc.pem. Now go to your developer console, app signing, and click here and upload the .pem file and click on finish, and there you